Hello, this is Angrawaki. Thank you for watching my video. In this video, I'm going to introduce what we call spiral cast in Japan. Okay, this is overhead cast, the basic of the basic. And this is side hand cast. And this is backhand cast. This is backhand circle cast. And this is flip cast, cool underhand cast, I like it. And this is spiral cast. The legendary Japanese casting master Jim Murata introduced this cast. He's producing lots of Shimano products like Shimano Scorpion and World Shower. I learned a lot from his DVD and YouTube. But I have never seen his demonstration on site. So my spiral cast could be wrong, but at least this will be something like it. I hope I'm not wrong. First, let's check out flip cast. Hold the reel with a single finger grip. Swing up, swing down, and release. Swing up, swing down. It bends the rod. Then release the line forward. This is how to flip cast. Let's check it out from another angle. And this is spiral cast. Instead of swinging up and down, making a circle with a rod tip, using a centrifugal force to bend the rod. To release the line forward, the timing matters. Make a circle with a rod tip. Let's check out from another angle. Make a circle with the rod tip and then release a line forward. The timing matters. Let's check it out again. Making a circle with a rod tip to bend the rod. This is a flip cast. Swing up and down to bend the rod. For spiral cast, make a circle with a rod tip to bend the rod. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.